But before you jump ship from your traditional bank, there's one crucial question. How much does the Neon credit card cost? Wait, hold on a second. Neon doesn't actually offer a credit card. Intrigued? Buckle up, because Neon's approach to banking is a little different. Instead of a traditional credit card, Neon offers a debit card with 3 tiers, each catering to different needs and, you guessed it, with different fee structures. So, ditch the credit card confusion and let's dive into the Neon world of fees. Neon Free, your gateway to fee-free banking. Starting strong, we have the Neon Free account. Free in the name? Absolutely. This tier boasts 0 monthly fees, making it perfect for those just dipping their toes into the challenger bank scene or for anyone who simply wants a no-frills debit card for everyday spending. There's a tiny catch, though. You'll pay a one-time issuance fee of 20 Swiss francs, roughly $22 to get your snazzy Neon debit card. But hey, compared to annual credit card fees, that's a pretty sweet deal. Plus, with Neon Free, you can enjoy worldwide fee-free payments. Imagine swiping your card in Paris without getting slapped with sneaky foreign transaction fees. That's the Neon Free dream. Neon Green, banking with a conscience, and a tiny fee. Feeling a little eco-conscious? Then the Neon Green account might be your perfect match. For a mere 5 Swiss francs, around $5.50 a month, you get all the perks of Neon Free, plus a bonus. Neon plants a tree for every 500 Swiss francs you spend. So, you can shop guilt-free knowing you're contributing to a greener planet, one swipe at a time. And of course, international transactions remain free of those pesky fees. Win-win. Neon Metal, the premium option for the discerning user. Do you crave a touch of luxury in your banking experience? Then Neon Metal might just be your calling. For a monthly fee of 15 Swiss francs, roughly $16.50, you get the same benefits as Neon Free and Green, but with a sleek metal card that screams sophistication. On top of that, you get a whopping 5 free local ATM withdrawals every month. Need more cash? Each additional withdrawal will set you back 2 Swiss francs, which is pretty standard. So, what's the verdict? Neon offers a refreshing approach to banking, ditching the bundled fees and allowing you to choose the plan that best suits your needs. Whether you're a budget-conscious traveler with Neon Free, an eco-warrior with Neon Green, or a style maven with Neon Metal, there's a Neon option for you. Just remember, the free tier comes with a one-time issuance fee, and both Neon Green and Metal have monthly fees. But with all the perks, these fees might just be worth it. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy banking.